So we are back again. See, probably there's a little bit of delay once again. So we're back again. Thank you for tuning in here. For everyone is saying first already in the chat. So completely cool that everyone is once again tuning in here. Completely cool that everyone is once again tuning in here. So damn, I'm having a wrong title. So let me quickly change up the title here. It has still the old other title. So let me quickly finish this. Let me quickly adjust this, bro. Let me see. So guys, quickly fixing still some stuff, but thank you for tuning in once again here. We are back, of course. We're not going to stop because of YouTube. Looking forward to it. I see everyone is tuning in once again. Very lovely to see. Let's see what we're going to do. Already 140 people, 170 people is tuning in. Guys, what will be very cool if we're right away going to smash through the algorithm. So right away smash all these likes up here. Let's crush this algorithm. And yeah, let's look at this. Probably if I going back, yeah, you can see it right away. I'm flipping here live on once again. You can see it over here. Right away, you can see it. And that is what is making me feel very annoying. So another like, that's completely good. That's completely good, guys. Thank you for tuning in once again. Let's look at Bitcoin back. Let's look at the charts back because we're just starting off once again. We are back. Let's go, guys. We are back. So quick thing that we had to do. I will be not talking about these words anymore because otherwise we're going to have the exact same once again, and that's not a thing that I'm anticipating. Like up the stream. That would be amazing. Already 120 likes, guys. Already 120 likes. So can we smash it up even more? That would be very amazing. That will be very amazing. So everything is working. Everything is up and running. Already, guys, yeah, we are crushing through it. So let's go back into the charts once, because in the end of the day, we are here to look at the charts and not to look about these algorithm things or so. So let me see. Smash up the likes. That would be cool. Already, I mean, we had 400 likes. We had 400 likes, and it's so unfortunate because it's just so sad that we right now have to smash up these likes all the way back to 1,000 once again, over again. So restarting the stream real quickly. Already 300 guys are tuning in. Very cool. Like just you are making a very Bitcoin dominance. Then of course let's go back into the Bitcoin dominance. I mean, Bitcoin dominance is fighting back a little bit because Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin dominance is taking a minor hit back here, but guys, yeah, we're breaking through critical levels. And I see spam the like for the algorithm. Oh, please, don't spam in the chat. But yeah, spam the like for the algorithm, guys. Let's do this all together. Let me check on the stream as well if it's still working. Yes, you can see over here. You can see it over here. If you let me see, Crypto Rover. If I search it up right now, you can see I am over here. This is the point. I love this. Right now we are back again, guys. So I will be going back to the channel. Also, almost 30.4k subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. But we are going back to the stream. Let's get comfortable once again. Let's look back into the charts because we were seeing Bitcoin pushing a little bit higher. And I'm acting like we were away for a few hours. But we were not. We are not away for a few hours. We just were away for exactly 1 minute. So hey Dan, hopefully you're enjoying your day so far. Have you took a look into Crypto.com yet? And no, I have not took a look at Crypto.com yet. But I know what I was seeing already on my portfolio because I'm holding a huge amount of Crypto.com. I was already seeing my portfolio increase a little bit once again. And that's definitely lovely to see, of course, also because of Ethereum, because Ethereum was mainly leading the portfolio today, but yesterday. But yeah, you can see a symmetrical triangle getting formed on the 4-hour, a pretty high time frame, and it's looking like that we're going to smash through here. Already seeing a nice increasement of price, and definitely the price action of Crypto.com. Let me redraw everything real quick. Let me remove everything and look at the chart in a different way. Let me set up some horizontal levels because I do like to use horizontal levels because usually they are showing a lot of significance in the chart. So what you can see with Crypto.com is that we are, of course, we first found resistance over here, and here we found support on it. So that's definitely lovely to see, and you can see just that we are bouncing to the upside and bouncing back, and of course, just creating a new rally up here. So you bounce up, you bounce back, you bounce up, you bounce back, and probably once we're going to go up once again later on, you're going to find support on this level. So lovely to see. Crypto.com is still good. It's looking good, even though we have not started a new uptrend yet here because we're still setting lower highs, as you can see. So I do want to be taking out this high over here. And if we can take out this high, this would be, of course, very lovely. It broke out of the symmetrical triangle. Yeah, a crypto ARM. That's completely true. It's completely true. It broke out of the symmetrical triangle here, but the thing that I do want to be seeing for the price action, of course, to come right now is taking out this previous high, because then we can be invalidating the downtrend that we were creating over here. You can see we were creating a downtrend, and if you want to start an uptrend, you would at least take out the previous high. So just like we were talking about Bitcoin, I love Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Link, and GRT. We all love it. We all love it, and we love the gains. We love the gains. So yeah, it is looking particularly good. It's looking particularly good, especially for yeah. If you just look at the chart, it's not looking bad. And let's see if we can smash through it. If we can smash through this previous high, create a new trend, create a new uptrend. Because yeah, of course, we still have this level over here that we can be watching, and this will be, of course, major resistance. But I mean, crypto.com just will be taking a little bit of its time, but it will be moving up steadily. In my opinion, you can already see this trend is just acting as very good. The trend is looking good. Trend is your friend till it ends, and right now the trend is still based to the upside. You're setting higher lows each and every time. So in my opinion, we're going to crush through this high anytime soon here, guys. Let's see when we are going to do it. But Bitcoin is cooling up once again for a second. You can see if we zoom into the 50-minute scans once again for Bitcoin, you can see we are crushing through very quickly. And also, let me get to this chart real quickly. And if you look to this chart, you can see we were pumping very quickly, but also reversing very quickly. So that's, of course, pretty unfortunate. Litecoin, let me look at Litecoin. We are very close by our entry price, guys. Approximately a few dollars off here. A few dollars off before opening our trade. So looking forward to it. Predictions made, Bitcoin, Ethereum, end of the weekend, end of the month. So yeah, we were already doing some very good predictions for Bitcoin and for Ethereum as well. We were already doing these predictions, and predictions for Bitcoin by the end of the month can stay 70 towards 80k. 70 towards 80k will my prediction be for the end of the month. And especially, I think the last days of the month will be the most exponential growth for Bitcoin, even though I still think April is one of the strongest months that Bitcoin is going to see since a long period of time. I still will be saying this, and the point here is you are at the start of April, and you're at the start of a new rally, and usually, typically, what we do want to be seeing here is, of course, for the all-time high, because then we are really confirming the bull trend. We're really in price discovery once again, and we can be moving up pretty fast. So I mean, in general, it's looking good here. You can still accumulate cheap Bitcoin. 80k. Are you going to see it? Are you going to miss a 20 or 30% move to the upside? I say 20. I mean 30%. Are you willing to miss this 30% move to the upside? I'm not willing to miss this one. I'm looking to accumulate more Bitcoin. So if you are not exposed to Bitcoin or altcoins, and if you are watching this stream because you're new to crypto, right away we'll tell you, make sure to get exposed right now, because right now maybe you're thinking, okay, but I'm buying at a top. I'm buying at very critical resistance. But I mean, bro. You were already telling to me that you were not buying Bitcoin while sitting on 20k because we were trading under resistance. Bro, come on, man. Come on. You have to buy. You have to buy your Bitcoin. The uptrend is imminent. We are going to see a new all-time high, and that is once again what I will be saying here, guys. Buy Bitcoin right now. You're not late. You're not late right now. You're just buying still cheap Bitcoins. You're still buying cheap Bitcoins. So make sure to do so, and please don't spam your emojis in the chat. It's very annoying. So let me see. Okay. Can you look at Filecoin? Freak, I don't see it. What do you mean? So of course, let's look at Filecoin, because we are discussing Filecoin a lot of times here on the channel, and I know it's growing exponentially. But what you're having right now with Filecoin is pretty interesting, to be honest, because you can see stealth run up getting created. You're absolutely going parabolic here. You can see it's a parabolic run up. And what we are having right now is a break of the parabolic run-up. So in my opinion, we're going to see consolidation. If you just purely look to the tokenomics, if you look to this to the charts, I'm not looking at any patterns, but if you just look at the way how the chart is behaving itself, it's creating an uptrend and it's going faster and faster, and in the end, it's always going parabolic. But once you're breaking the parabolic trend, you're probably going to see a consolidation, maybe a pattern creating. So Filecoin, don't think that we're going to see this insane increase in price anymore. It already is done over here. But yeah, let's see what we'll be doing, guys. Let me see. Let me see what we're going to have. And guys, if you were just also watching the stream, because we just did this other live stream, and this is weird by just standing over here, but we just did this other live stream as well, but we had to restart here. We had approximately 500 likes. So if you're willing to support the channel right away here, make sure to smash up these likes here. Can we get this back to 500 likes right away here? Currently having 755 live viewers, guys. Can we smash it up once again to 500 likes? That will be amazing, because then we're retaking our position where we should be staying, of course. So that will be, of course, very lovely if you can smash up these likes right away here, because then, yeah, we're just taking back our territory and where we have to stand, of course. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. That would be, of course, very amazing. Would be very amazing. I think we definitely can. I think we definitely can do so. What about XRP? I already talked about XRP. Oh, sorry, BitTorrent. Yes, of course. First, earlier today, just a couple of minutes ago, I called this donation, but I completely forgot it. But someone was wondering, can you please look at BitTorrent? And of course, I can look at BitTorrent. So let me check BitTorrent. I see it also in the chat. Probably is you, Mr. Billion. So BitTorrent, yes, we'll be checking it. So what we are having with BitTorrent, I don't really like it, to be honest, because I just don't like Trump projects, and I want to be careful. I want to raise awareness, because on the 4 hourly, if you're right now willing to enter, I should not do it. Creating a bearish divergence, huge bearish divergence. Even on this one, you're creating a bearish. On the 1 hour, you're probably creating even worse bearish divergence. So yeah, at the moment you're creating bearish divergence, so in my opinion, it's very likely to see a correction, even also because you're overextended on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and on the 1 hour also creating a bearish divergence, just like I told you. So creating huge bearish divergence, the momentum is cooling off, even though the price is going higher. It's likely to see some sell orders coming in here. It's likely to cool off this price action. So let's see what it is going to do here. Hit the likes, boys. Yeah, that would be amazing. That would be amazing if we can do so. Engine prediction, please. I will be going into the engine prediction in a second. I was just doing my engine prediction early on as well. But also Needy is donating. But yeah, whatever you think about BitTorrent, I do think it's way too overextended. It's very hard to... I can do some technical analysis on this one. But I mean, I don't really like it. Because first of all, I don't like the project. I don't like the project. And that is also my main reason why I don't really like to do my analysis on this one. But I can do, of course, I can give you some thoughts. Even though I don't really like the charts, to be honest, as well. Because it is just a price discovery. So very hard to spot where it can be heading towards. And you want to be careful. And you can see we are creating here this upward sloping resistance line, and we were breaking above it, and that was also the signifying the huge run up. But yeah, in my opinion, the 4 hour, 1 hour, and daily candle, daily is not forming a bearish divergence, but the 4 hour and 1 hour having a bearish divergence is probably going to see a reversal in the immediate short term. And then maybe we can create another leg up here. So let's see what we're going to do. But you want to be very careful, in my opinion. Want to be very careful with this one. So Needy also donated to the channel, and you are saying my Ethereum stop loss is around 1950 below the old all-time high, likely to reach? Question mark. Your stop loss is $1950. I don't think that you're going to reach it. I don't think that you're going to reach it, to be honest. It's below the all-time high. I don't think that we're going to dip below this all-time high anytime soon. Maybe there's a possibility that we're going to do something like this, maybe consolidation above this previous all-time high, maybe a few touches. And that's definitely in play here, in my opinion. But I don't think that we're going to see. I don't think that we're going to see this this all-time high that we're going to watch the $1950. I don't think that we're going to do so. So my engine prediction. We were earlier doing also an engine prediction, and I predicted that engine will be sitting around the $10 to $15. I think $10 to $15 is a very reachable and likely target that we can be reaching. So yeah, $10 to $15, my friend. That will be my target, and once I'm saying this target, it's exactly for the coming, let's say 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Sorry, 3 months. It will be for the coming 3 months. So $10 to $15 can be reached in the coming 3 months. That is a realistic prediction, in my opinion. So, can you look at Sia Coin and Tron? I will be looking for in Sia Coin for you, of course, because I also want to be looking at Litecoin and other coins as well, because Litecoin is very close to our entry price. Litecoin is very close to our entry price, so of course we'll be looking into it. And right away, let me look at the bigger picture, because what we are having here for Sia Coin, man, oh man, please be careful. We are having over 800 viewers. That's insane. Yeah, we're doing such a good job here. We're just at 14 minutes live here. Of course, we already did this previous screen as well, but we had to restart real quickly. But guys, what are we having here at the moment? This is, of course, very interesting, in my opinion. We are right now seeing the Bitcoin price, of course, moving up. Sorry, the Bitcoin price, the Sia price coin moving up, but where you're creating a huge bearish divergence on the daily. So you can see momentum, the buying strength is cooling off, where you're still setting on higher high. This is just showing you a bearish divergence on the daily is always more significant. The higher the time frame, the more likely it will be that you're going to correct. So what I should be doing here, if you're willing to, if you find it a very good project, I should stay on the sidelines, because in my opinion, this is definitely looking like it's going to reverse. It's definitely looking like that we're going to see a correction. Already having 1, 2, 3 rallies up here, and I do think that this will be cooling off for a second. Maybe some consolidation, but this bears divergence. The momentum is cooling off on the daily. Probably if I flip it to the 4 hour, it's even worse. Yeah, on the 4 hour also you can see huge bearish divergence. Creating a higher high, lower high in the index, in the RSI index. So it's likely to see a correction for this coin, to be honest, my friend. It's very likely to see this correction coming in here. Guys, also, if you're just new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet here, we are exactly 4 more subscribers away from the 30.4k as well here. So guys, today we are absolutely crushing through each and every level. Can we smash up these likes? That will be, I'm saying likes, but can we smash up these subscribers? That will be very insane. Only 3 right now, only 3 more subscribers away from the 30.4k. If you're new to the channel, and if you want to support the channel, and if you're loving this daily content, I should definitely subscribe to the channel right now. That would be amazing. So, lady, also donating. Can you do you mind checking out Dan? So let me check Dan for you. Let me check Dan for you, and then we can be, of course, looking for your request. And this is once again, I don't want to be a bear, to be honest, guys, but there are a lot of projects that are right now forming huge bearish divergence, and of course, I'm always looking to look at this, and also if you look to the daily, it's been overextended for such a long period of time, and Dent was of course pumping very quickly recently, but you can see once again over here the RSI. We are setting a lower high in the RSI, where we are setting a higher high in the price chart. You're forming a huge bearish divergence over here. The momentum is cooling up, and we just also smashed through the 30.4k, guys. Thank you so much for smashing it up here. Thank you so much here. You guys are awesome. You guys are the best. I love it, and of course, I will be giving back some stuff to you guys as well once reaching the 40k. Looking forward to it already, guys. We're going to make this journey all together, and I can't wait till we're going to reach it, of course. But yeah, if you look to the price section of Dent, you can see we're creating a higher high in the price chart, lower high in the RSI. This is showing you a huge bearish divergence on the daily, of course. The higher the time frame, the more significance it will be showing you. And the daily, I mean, how high can the time frame be? The daily is, of course, already a pretty high time frame. Also, the 4 Audi bearish divergence. I mean, I should be really taking it careful. Also, a rising wedge forming. Of course, you can maybe see if that it is breaking out to the upside right now on this rising wedge. But I mean, yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. Let's see what it will be doing. The rising wedge can also still create a fake out on the top side with a big wick here. So this is, of course, a bearish bias pattern. But yeah, let's see. If we're still going to break to the upside, maybe we're going to see more volatile. But I mean, I don't really feel it, to be honest. I don't really feel it. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. But I think it's more likely to see a reversal than move really fast to the upside, guys. I think it's more likely to see a reversal than really go higher. So of course, I'm looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it. So let's see what it will be doing here. But I should stay away from it if you're not exposed yet. I should stay away from it if you're not exposed yet here. So let me go quickly back to the Bitcoin chart. So we're getting 2 more super chats. Thank you for supporting the channel right away here. And you're saying, Brian, you're saying ONG, please. So let me check ONG for you. I see Chainlink also pumping up a little bit. Let me go into Chainlink after this, of course, after the request of Saddam as well here. You're asking me to check the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. So I will be checking the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart as well. Very important chart in my opinion. Of course, what we are having with this coin, this is looking good here. This RSI is not overextended. We're not forming bearish divergence yet. But what we are having here you can see the strength index is also increasing. And for this coin, it's looking particularly good in my opinion because you're having bullish consolidation. On the 1 hour, you can see you're creating some kind of a symmetrical triangle here. These are things that I love to see here because this is a bullish continuation pattern, and maybe it can be taking a little bit longer because this can also be formed on a 4 hour, and you can be maybe creating a bigger pattern. But yeah, this looks like a bullish consolidation. This coin will probably increase more in valuation. It's just having a stealth run up consolidation and can be moving up once again. So I do like this chart a little bit more because it was not creating any divergence over here. So the momentum is still going to the upside, and this is really the first leg up here. Usually you're seeing 3 or 4 legs up getting created before really reversing. So I definitely think there's more in the books here before really calling a reversal. So yeah, looks good, but looks very good. But Bitcoin is really reversing, to be honest. Bitcoin is cooling off once again. Bitcoin is not really... this was a nice bump here on Bitcoin, of course. I was getting very excited, but yeah, let's see what we'll be doing right now. So then we will be looking into the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. And you're saying took along around the 0.335. So yeah, let me first look at my horizontal chart on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. So you took a long around to 3 353. So approximately over here. But guys, we were discussing this previously as well. We were discussing this chart, and damn it, it is so chaotic. I will be removing everything real quickly, and I will be making a new chart. So what you can see right here, I will be right away teaching you guys how I set up these horizontal charts, because this is the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and you can see this is just clearly very good support over here. Support, resistance over here, support over here. So this level is providing you a lot of support. So if we're falling, we can be still looking to accumulate some more over there. Then we are right away spotting, of course, this high over here. This high is providing us a lot of resistance, and also this supportive box over here is providing us a lot of support, because you can see if we set up from over here and you extend this one, you can see it's providing you a lot of support in the past. You can see resistance, support. Yeah, we had struggles to break through here, and resistance, support, and we're crashing through here. So a minor level that you can also be looking at is this high over here. And this high was, of course, a very nice level that we broke through. And I was telling you guys, I am willing to see the Ethereum dominance, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation breaking above this level. And the reason why is because I do want to be seeing the downward sloping momentum cooling off. So let me take a quickly sip of my water. Guys, if you still want to win the mug, we'll be giving away, at 1,000 likes, we will be giving away this mug to you guys. If you still want to win it, of course. But guys, what we are having right now, we'll be going back to my story. We were first, of course, in the downtrend. We were setting lower highs, but finally we're taking out this previous high on the daily closes. So this is really the thing that is giving me the confirmation that we're right now starting a new trend to the upside rather than to the downside. So yeah, that's my reason also to believe that the Ethereum dominance is looking very good. And I think your entry position is very, very good, man. Your entry target is very good. And also, if you look at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, on this chart, guys, this is particularly this is one of the most interesting charts that I am looking at currently, to be honest. Once looking to this chart, it's giving me a lot of significance. It is giving me the sign that, of course, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin bouncing up from this lower side here. We're forming this ascending broadening wedge here. You can see every time, once reaching this supportive target, we are moving to the higher sides of this broadening wedge here. So we are rejected to the downside, rejected, move down, move up, rejected, move down. So yes, we're probably going to go to higher levels. And we were discussing this every single stream, guys. We were discussing this level every single stream. And we're telling you guys this can be a 58% move for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. And finally, we're seeing the follow-through getting created for Ethereum. So Bitcoin is dumping off, guys. Bitcoin is dumping off. So let me check Bitcoin in a second. Right away, I mean, I'm saying dumping, but it's cooling off. Bitcoin flipping this very early candle into the red once again, where we were first, really fighting back up here. So I see also the chats right now coming in here. Bitcoin is dipping. Yes, it is dipping minorly. And someone is also. I see a lot of super chats. Oh, we got filled. We got filled here on our chart. And also having the stop loss set, of course. We got filled. At least I got filled. I don't know who's following me, of course, with this one. But we got filled on the Litecoin chart. So this is looking like a very good entry target, guys. So I'm looking to see where this trade can be heading towards. Of course, it's not very a lot of initial that I'm putting in. But yeah, of course, looking to trade this one to new all-time highs, because it can definitely be a very profitable trade here. So let's see what it will be doing. If we're going to hit the stop loss, that's unfortunate, but then we will be looking for the next opportunity. So yeah, looks good here. Very happy that I got filled. Very happy that I got filled, and also Bitcoin is bouncing back a little bit here. So let's see. Everyone is saying big dip. I mean, please don't call this a dump. People are calling it a dump. Don't call it a dump. Please be patient. Don't rush into anything here. But this is not a Bitcoin dump. If you don't know what a dump is, in my opinion, it has to be more than a 10% move in just a matter of 8 hours or so. This is just a minor correction, just a minor will accumulation once again, because the wills are accumulating right here, where the altcoins are dropping off. Also right now because of Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum is dropping off for a second. But guys, I will be going into the super chats in a second. So Donny is also saying, give us please a low cap gem where you're loading up on. Of course, I am loading up on one coin, and this is of course a very truly inside information. But let me know first, do you want to know? Do you want to know, guys, which coin I am currently loading up on? Do you want to know? Let me know real quickly, because I am hugely exposed to a coin, hugely exposed, and going to make a video also special about the coin. And it's of course, I mean, Crypto.com is the biggest asset of my portfolio at the moment, and soon it will be Bitcoin once again. Once stopping out in the alt season, we'll be shifting it more to Bitcoin. But oh damn, I was not looking even to the charts, but Please don't call this a bomb. But guys, do you want to know it? I have another altcoin where I currently almost have the same amount of worth to come off, and I'm accumulating huge shit because I think it's a good project. And besides that, I do think also it has gem potential. But yes, please, everyone is saying yes. True. Yes, of course. Crypto.com, of course, is a coin that I'm loading up on already. But everyone wants to know it. Everyone wants to know it. And guys, this is also this coin. I have no deal or so with the coin. We'll right away say it because some people are saying, oh, you're shilling with the coin because you have a deal. No, I'm also making a video in the exit strategy video. I will be going more in depth on this coin because this coin, I was showing you guys recently already some things here. And this is YLD app. It's yield app. Guys, I will be giving all my inside information about this coin here. All my all my thoughts on this coin. I did so many research on this with my team. Please make sure to keep an eye out on the channel because soon there will be a special video released about this, not about this coin, but about my exit strategy. And this coin will be very important for my exit strategy. So this is the coin where I'm currently loading up on. I will be not giving my real thoughts about it yet because if you want to see my real thoughts about that one, it will be on the video of the exit strategy anytime soon here because this is a very important coin that you want to have once exiting the market, in my opinion. And we'll be going into more depth. And guys, it's only 72 million at the moment. 72. This has true gem potential because I'm also comparing these coins to the same projects that are currently, of course, already bigger. But this coin has so... I really want to say it, but then the video is not... I just want to... I will be not saying it. And the reason why I'm not saying it right now is because you just want to watch the video that I'm going to upload anytime soon here. So where can you buy it? You can buy it if you go to markets. You can see over here. You can buy it on Uniswap. Or you can buy it on 1inch. So yeah, you can buy it currently only on Uniswap on 1inch. But yeah, it's a very good project. And I'm loading up on this one. Just quickly saying it because... it's. I think it's a. I want to be transparent with you guys, and I want to say where I'm loading up on. And this is not the only coin that I'm loading up on currently, because I also have some other projects, but I can't tell you guys yet. But I will be trying to be more transparent. And the last 4 days or so, I'm buying up this coin. Of course. You want to go to the site as well. You do want to do your own research, but soon there will be a video. I think today, tomorrow, or the day after. And so in 2 or 3 days, I will be uploading this video about the exit strategy, and I will be also going more in depth about this coin because this coin will be definitely providing all the help that I will be needing. No YLD in Binance because they are competing with Binance. They're competing with Binance, so that's the reason why there's no YLD on Binance. Hey Dan, are you exposed to Shift Network? Yes, I am. I bought it pretty cheap, by the way. If you go to Shift Network, $1.80, if I say it correctly, I was buying very cheap this coin. I was buying this very cheap. I'm saying something incorrectly. But yes, I am exposed to it. I was talking about Superfarm. I bought Superfarm for $1.80. But this one I got exposed. It's not done anything. But I'm of course exposed to this one. It has not done anything here. Volume is also decreasing. Probably going to see still 1.8 million volume is pretty high. Yes, I'm exposed to this one, of course. I think it has also great potential. I think the DeFi boom will be coming back anytime soon here, guys. Let me see. Not worth investing in a project by Uniswap. Why not? Why not? Let me know why it's not worth investing in. You don't know even what the fundamental worth of the coin is. And guys. The problem here is I really want to go in depth about the fundamental worth of the coin, but that is really a thing that I will be saying in the video. So I will be not saying it right now because otherwise I can't upload the video anymore because it's not relevant anymore. So because there are just very important things that you want to be that you want to know, and that's the reason why we will be uploading the video as soon as possible here about the exit strategy. It will be very important. And yeah, the coin will be also... The point here is I don't really... Well, the video of the exit strategy was not a video of a gem. But soon when I was doing my research, because I was looking for my exit strategy, because I was figuring it out as well for myself. But as soon as when I was doing my research, I thought, oh, damn, bro. I'm even seeing a gem here. I'm seeing really an insane gem that is so undervalued right now. So undervalued. And it has literally... 30x potential for the coming 3 months, and that is the reason I can. Yeah, I will be not saying it, but because otherwise, you know, But I mean, I can really make such an insane amount of gains on that one. So definitely also sharing it with you guys already. Yeah, so looking forward to it. Looking forward to it, to the video. Can't wait. We'll be uploading it anytime soon here, and of course, once uploading it, we'll be keeping you guys up to date on the Twitter page. If you haven't followed us already, almost having 4,000 followers, guys, absolutely insane. I was not tweeting something today yet. I have not tweeted something today yet, so looking for doing a tweet. Sorry. So let's do a tweet all together. If you have me, wait, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what your Wait, no. I will be thinking about the tweet. I will be doing a tweet anytime soon here. But if you haven't followed me already on Twitter, it will be of course very amazing because I really want to get this 4,000 Twitter followers, guys. That will be amazing. Live news right now. What is the live news? It's relevant. Say it now. I mean, it is not really. It of course is a relevant topic, but the video will be uploaded within 2 days. So otherwise, I have to delete the video. So I won't be doing that. So the video will be uploaded as soon as possible, my friend. So Crypto.com to the moon. Let's see. Is the Crypto.com going to the moon? Not yet, but it will be going to the moon. It will be definitely going to the moon. So Jonathan, thank you for supporting your donation. Rover, please share with us which altcoins you are holding. So Jonathan. That's a very good idea. I'm trying to, because let's say in 1 week or so, I have way more spare time. So I will be doing daily live streams. And I'm also looking to maybe make some extra videos. Videos about, let's say, portfolio videos. Videos about very good projects. Videos about exit strategies, etc. So I will be also making a video very soon about my complete portfolio. Because then we can be discussing this as well. Because I know a lot of people are willing to know what my complete portfolio is. And I can tell you already one thing. I am overexposed to altcoins. I mean, I do think that altcoins can give me very good returns, but I'm of course also trying to get more Bitcoin with my altcoins positions because alt season is around the corner, guys, and alts will be the place where you can make the most amount of gains. And that is also let me go to favorite charts here. That's also what Grayscale is currently doing because you can see. Grayscale is not loading up on Bitcoin anymore, guys, for the past days. Grayscale is not loading up on Bitcoin, but they are not standing still here. Grayscale is not standing still here. Grayscale is only buying altcoins right now. So they also see the potential of these altcoin booms. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it because we are, of course, I'm also accumulating a lot of altcoins. Looking forward to see where the market is heading towards. Please, when you're free, look at BTT things. Of course. We were just looking at BTT as well a second ago. Can you double check David Hagen's super chat? Oh, did I miss a super chat? Let me go back here. Viewer activity. Let me go back. Sorry, did I miss a super chat? If I miss a super chat, I feel so sorry, man. I feel so sorry. Sometimes I miss them. David Hagens. So let me go. Let me go back. Do I find a super chat from David? I can't find it. I'm so sorry. Did you? Okay. What was your question? I can't find it right now. Sorry, I can't see it because it's too far back in history, probably. But Crypto Aaron, sorry, man. I don't know. Let me know what your question was, David Hagens. Let me know. I'm so truly sorry, bro. I'm so truly sorry. Guys, by the way, the title of the video is incorrectly. I see it right now because this is the wrong title of the previous post. So let me quickly adjust it because we had to restart. We had to restart the video. Right now the title is incorrectly. So I see what people are talking. What are you talking about? I'm sorry. I adjusted the title real quickly. It was not changed yet. I'm so sorry. I had to change up the title real quickly because it was not correctly. So I changed it once again. So thank you for notifying me. Thank you for notifying me. Yeah, you can see it. We had to restart the stream real quickly. That's the reason why. So yeah, let's look at check BTT. Okay, check BTT. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's check BitTorrent. Even though I don't really like it, but I will be checking it for you guys. So 4 hour, and I was talking about BitTorrent. I was talking about how it was creating this bearish divergence. Damn it. But yeah, I was talking about how it was creating this bearish divergence. And this bearish divergence, of course, not only on the 4 hour. You can see also on the 1 hour we were creating a bearish divergence. And on the daily it is not creating a bearish divergence. So it's only on the 4 hour. And that's my reason. On the daily it can be maybe gaining a little bit more. But in the immediate short term, I do expect that we're going to see a reversal. Maybe towards this level over here once again. So wait, let me fix this here because this once again someone spamming in the chat here. If you're seeing moderators question message to you, if you're seeing someone spamming in the chat here, make sure to right away block them because it's getting very annoying, of course. But yeah, you can see here BitTorrent having this upper sloping resistance line here. Since breaking through, we were extremely going parabolic here. But yeah, creating a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Please be careful. I'm not looking to see. I'm not likely to see. It's not likely to see a BitTorrent going way higher from here on. I do think it will be cooling off for a second because yeah, usually bearish divergences are just showing you a divergence in the chart and probably going to signify that we're going to move down a little bit. So of course I feel bullish about it, but I do think it's more likely to see a correction to the downside right now coming in here, guys. And by the way, one thing that I do want to be saying here, because we had to restart the stream earlier on, guys, today. And on this previous video, we had 500 likes, and currently we are only 35 likes away from the 500. So can we get it back to 500 likes? That would be very amazing. That will be truly very amazing. Can we smash it up once again to 500 likes, guys? That will be truly lovely. Can we do it? Make sure to write and smash it up. That will be, for us, very amazing. Only 35 likes. I think we can definitely do it if we work together right now. Let me go back into the price section of Chainlink as well. I mean, all these coins are right now cooling off for a second because Bitcoin is. Bitcoin was just basically first doing nothing and interesting. But yeah, we have this doji candle right now on the 1 hour on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin having an indecisive candle, a doji. You can call this a doji candle, by the way, if you don't know it. But yeah, this is basically wakes on both sides here. Of course, it's still right. I do want to be flipping this one into just this level over here. And over 2 minutes, we're going to close this 1 hourly candle. By the way, 2 minutes we're going to close this 1 hourly candle. But trading a doji candle right now. Looking forward. And by the way, we smashed it up to 500 likes, guys. Thank you so much for reaching the 500 likes. We are back at it once again. So Litecoin breakout target, guys. Yeah, we were entering Litecoin. And of course, you do want to be knowing the Litecoin breakout target. So if you were entering the trade as well here, you're of course doing an extremely good job here. We're entering this one on Femex. We're just $1 away from our entry target. There's right now approximately 5% profit, of course. Minor profit, but of course not close to where we are going to take this one. So this is $303 US, but I think rather the $300 US will be also a psychological level of resistance. So the $300 US will be the target that I will be taking all my profits out. So yeah, I mean $300 is the target, Dean Harvey. So yeah, looking forward to it. But this is still an insane rally of approximately 39%. So this can be a 400% trade here. Of course, looking forward to it. I definitely think that we can be riding it. So that is also the reason why I'm accumulating the swing trade position. Because Litecoin is just looking extremely bullish, finally breaking this critical level of resistance on the 4 hour and finding support on the previous resistance target, guys. This is extremely looking bullish here. This is exactly what we were predicting. So yeah, we're crushing it once again with a new trade. If you joined as well, let me know in the chat real quickly if you open this trade as well with Litecoin. Looking to ride this to new all-time highs, of course, having a tight stop loss here. Not a lot of initial on the trade, I know. But this is still going to ride this one to new all-time highs anytime soon, guys. Looking forward to it. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do, guys. Dean Harvey, you're saying thumbs up, and that's of course lovely because yes, we are doing it together. Let me know who joined it as well. Let me know who joined it as well. Let me look at the chat real quickly. Ethereum is going up. Let me check Ethereum. Ethereum is basically copying Bitcoin at the moment. You're having this doji candle as well on Ethereum. So not very interesting things at the moment. Not a lot of interesting things at the moment, to be honest. So are we copying Bitcoin? Yes, we are. We are copying Bitcoin at the moment. And good job, Crypto Aaron. Good job what you're doing here. Of course, also Dean Harvey, you guys are the best. You're always so supportive. I also opened one with you, Amer. You're doing a good job here. You're doing a good job. So let's see if we can ride it to new all-time highs. I definitely think that we can. I definitely think that we can be riding this one to new all-time highs. So yeah, of course, lovely price action that we are anticipating right now. Because if you look at the Litecoin chart, you can see we are crushing. Of course, this chart is a little bit differently drawn. But you can see we're finding support at the previous resistance line. This is just extremely bullish. This is extremely bullish, and I can't wait till we're going to see this breakout, of course, playing out. So yeah, Polkadot also in price discovery, guys. For everyone, new all-time high Polkadot. Yeah, Lucas Fleck, you just said it. So yeah, you're of course using the Polkadot emoji, and it's of course very cool. But yeah, we are also setting a new all-time high for Polkadot. Guys, congratulations for everyone who is holding Polkadot, just like me, for such a long period of time already. Buying Polkadot at $5 is never bad. But guys, look at this. Look at the price action where you could have bought so cheap into Polkadot. But you could have even bought it at $3 or even at even below the $3. But of course, right now sitting right at $45 US. I definitely think Polkadot will be heading towards 100/200 US. It's just starting off here. And this is also particularly looking very good, guys. So, of course, you can't go up in a straight line here, but Polkadot taking out the previous height, previous all-time high, to be honest. If we're even going to see this correction towards the $42 US, guys, if you are not in a position yet here, I will be also, by the way, I can also just open a position on Polkadot as well, because let me go to this account. Let me see if I have something on this account still, because of course, trading at multiple accounts. Let's see. Yeah, I have some funds on this account still. This account. So I will be looking at Polkadot here as well on the Femix chart. So we'll be also setting up a limit order over here. Just want to be transparent. If we're going to see a correction, I mean, I don't really expect that we're going to see so. I don't think that the correction can be this quite significant. So if we're going back to the 42.350. So I will be opening a limit price 42 and 350. Sorry, 42.35. 42.35. I say 350, but $42 US and 35 cents. I'll be opening another limit order, let's say in 10x or so. I will be using a 10x. So I will be just setting up this limit order, of course, using a tight stop loss here, 15%. So yeah, I mean, I will be also entering this position on Litecoin if I get the opportunity, of course. Looking forward to accumulate more trades, guys. Trading is funny. Trading is lovely. Always have to trade at your own risk here. But I mean, why should I want to miss this run here? Because we haven't not got the previous all-time high retest. And that's definitely, of course, in the play. We can maybe see this all-time high retest and then move higher. So that's the reason why I'm accumulating right now. Trying to accumulate also some Polkadot. So if you look to the Ethereum price action right now, we are right now currently having this correction on the Ethereum price action. So, damn it, is Bitcoin also reversing? No, Bitcoin is not really reversing. It's Ethereum that is taking a hit compared to Bitcoin. So, this is pretty interesting. Of course, we were trading at all-time highs, and that's the reason why we are, of course, cooling off here. So, let's see. Nehem is also saying, can you tell Litecoin entry again? I just tuned in. So Nehem, of course, I can tell you my Litecoin entry. My Litecoin entry, oh, you're exactly trading around the entry price right now. So $200 US and $212 US was the entry price. So we're exactly trading at this level once again. So there's still a possibility to enter it. So yeah, looking good. For Litecoin is looking good here. Looking to write this one to new optimize. Of course, also setting up a limit order on Polkadot right now. So let's see what we're going to do. Mainly because of Ethereum, of course, falling. The other altcoins are following. Long Ethereum. Yeah, let's see what Ethereum is going to do. If you looked at the 1 hour, you can see we got stopped out over here. We got stopped out. If I flip it to lower time frames, by the way, you can see we got stopped out over here. Probably going to find some support, at least some support on this level. Before if we're really going to see a reversal first, we're going to find some support before really breaking this level. But I mean, this is of course not the strongest support level. I mean, the strongest support level is over here at the previous all-time high. So looking forward to see the target getting hit as well. Looking forward, guys. Chainlink is pumping. Let me see. The Chainlink is also just following it here. So would be cool if I can get my entry on Polkadot in, by the way, because then I can also tune into more trades. And people are asking Discord. You can join the Discord. It's right now. Painted live chat is also in the description, guys. And if you want to have access to the Discord server, you have to fill in the CAPTCHA because these. We just made an upgrade in security in our Discord server. So if you want to join it, you have to do the verification. And maybe you're wondering, why do I have to verify myself in the Discord server? And that's the reason. The reason is very easy. Because we want to get rid of these bots here. Because there are a lot of bots in the Discord server. And we want to get rid of them. So that's the reason why we are doing so. So Bitcoin is falling a little bit more to the downside. I mean, I'm not stressed. I'm not worried at all. Just looking forward to see where it is heading towards. Bitcoin dipping, yes, completely true. Bitcoin is dipping, but I mean, I'm not worried. It's just a minor dip, and even if we're heading towards this level, this won't be only more accumulation for big players. And this is just basically what we're having, sideways action. This is sideways action, so, I mean, I should not freak out here. We can't move in a straight line to the upside. We're just consolidating here. So probably going to, if we're going to move down here, probably going to bounce back to the upside and play this out just like this, of course. Please don't call us a dump. Good morning, Rover. Good morning, Jules. Good morning. Not dipping, just bouncing a bit. And that's completely true. Litecoin crash too. I mean, this is not really a crash, to be honest. Of course, yeah, we're right now in the negative. So let's see what it can be doing here. I do want to see Litecoin, of course, holding up. I don't want to see our stop loss target getting hit here, because then we're kicked out of the trade. But yeah, let's see what we will be doing here. You can still create a big wick on this one. 2 hours and 53 minutes before the 4-hourly candle will be closing here. But if we're hitting our stop loss, that would be pretty unfortunate. Yeah, so let's see what we're going to do. And mainly, you can see Ethereum is falling pretty quickly to the downside, guys. Ethereum is falling quickly to the downside. And yeah, what are we having right now? It was approximately a drop-off of 1.1% here. So in just a matter of a few hours, minutes, just a matter of 6 minutes, we were dropping off so significantly. So please, let's see if we can hold it on. Just keeping an eye out on the chart as well. Good morning, everyone who right now is tuning in here. Good morning. Yeah, it's weekend, so guys, we can see a lot of manipulation. That's completely true. We always say this. In the weekends, you want to be careful with trading, and the reason why here is because in the weekends, you can see there's a lower volume, so there can be more manipulation here. So, yeah, I want to be careful, just like always in the weekends, guys, once you're willing to trade, of course. Once you're willing to trade, you want to be careful and don't get wrecked, of course. And that's, of course, not a thing that we are doing here. We're only trying to take safe trades here. Of course, using a tight stop loss here. Ethereum Litecoin trade, if we're hitting the stop loss, will be unfortunate. I entered Litecoin on 211. What's the stop loss and take profit? Take profit is, of course, pretty high, sitting around $300. And currently, I have my stop loss sitting around $208. $208 and 82 cents. Nahem. Do I pronounce your name correctly, by the way? Nahem. I don't know if it says like this. What is a good entry point for Ethereum? I should definitely, if you really want to enter Ethereum, I mean, I should be once again looking for the retest of the all-time high. So should not be entering over here. I should be waiting at least for maybe a retest of the all-time high, because then you can be looking to accumulate some. But usually, what you're having with Ethereum is that you're dropping off very quickly, but then bouncing also back very quickly. So let's see what we're going to do here. Can we maybe create a touch of the all-time high and then, of course, move once again back to the upside very quickly? Will be, of course, very amazing. Never scared. No, I'm never scared. Who's manipulating these markets? Big players with a lot of money. Billionaires. What is a good entry price for Bitcoin? I mean, Bitcoin is, of course, still going sideways, but you can see here the major support target is around the 58.3K. So yeah, what is a good time to enter Bitcoin? I think 58.3K is definitely your time. If you want to accumulate some Bitcoin trades, 58.3K will be your target to enter. What platforms are you using? I'm using mainly I'm using Femex, but I'm also using Bybit. But the most amount of trades I'm doing in Femex. So if you want to sign up as well here, also getting one of the best bonuses here in the cryptocurrency space on YouTube at least. Then, so yeah, if you want to sign up, you can get a $680 bonus. So would be of course very cool if you're doing so. Would be very cool because then you're supporting the channel, and of course you're helping yourself out because then you're getting extra bonuses. If you're not signing up with any referral links, you're getting you're getting no bonuses. So why should you not sign up with a referral link? So yeah, very cool, very good times, of course. When can I buy Bitcoin? I should definitely buy Bitcoin here. Why should you not buy your Bitcoins over here? Why should you not buy your Bitcoins over here? And the reason why I'm saying this is because we're just having very bullish consolidation and resistance. Even though that we're not moving very quickly, this is still consolidation, sideways action. Bitcoin consolidating under resistance is just likely to see an insane rally anytime soon, guys. And also, once again, the EMA ribbon providing support on the 4-hour. I can't stress enough about it, guys. Once again, seeing so much significance in the EMA ribbon. Yeah, testing this level. Once again, right away, flipping it into support. Probably going to create another wick on this one. You can see so many touches just on the EMA ribbon. And after that, we were moving up. And the reason why I'm saying this, why the EMA ribbon, I like it on the 4-hour. Because you can see also in the previous run-ups. Yeah, you can see over here also in the previous run-ups, you have a lot of touches on the EMA ribbon. Over here, also a lot of touches. Right now, it looks like that you're having, once again, this touch and probably going to boost a little bit back to the upside at least. So let's see what we're going to do. Even though if we're going to go lower, let's say we're going to go lower into the EMA ribbon, I still think that we're going to find very good support on it. So it's looking good for the 4 hour at least. 4 hours still looking good. The consolidation is still in play for Bitcoin. And if you look to this chart, by the way, I'm drawing the whole time. I don't want that. So if you look to this chart, by the way, look at this chart, guys. So Editor Shorts are donating $5. Thank you so much for your donation. You're saying, what coin is, in your opinion, will be making us $1 million in 2021 with 5K invest to it? I don't think that you can become a millionaire with only 5K to invest. Of course, only if you're finding a very, very good project, but then you have to have a 200x. I do think that is a little bit too ambitious. I think it's too ambitious because you have to have a 200x your initial, and that is a way too high. I think your target should be a little bit lower for 5K. If you're making 100K already with your 5K, you're doing a good job. But I don't really have a coin for 200x potential, to be honest. I don't have a coin for 200x potential. But yeah, I was just chatting about around UDEP. I think UDEP, yes, UDEP has the potential to 30x or so. So you can be maybe making, let's say for your 5K, you can be making 150. So, I mean, should you deny that? I mean, I'm not. Of course, yeah, looking forward to gain something about that. So yeah, what we are having here with Bitcoin, because people are still looking at Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin is of course a very interesting chart that you want to be looking at, is that we're still trading in this ascending triangle, guys. So I think everything is in play here still. We're still in a very bullish bias pattern, and we were discussing this chart yesterday as well, and I was telling you guys, yeah, we can be seeing a breakout in the weekend, and I don't want to be seeing a breakout on the weekend, to be honest, because then we're once again creating another gap here, even though I do think it's likely to create, and it does not necessarily has to be filled. But it's just not like to pump into new all-time highs. And I mean, yeah, we can be pumping maybe towards the previous all-time high, but I don't want to be setting a new all-time high in the weekend. That's not good. That's not good for Bitcoin. So yeah, let's see what this will be doing. But this is a very bullish bias pattern. Hopefully, we're going to consolidate in this pattern a little bit longer, guys. But this is definitely an emergency update. If you're willing to trade Bitcoin, you can be looking to this chart here. You can be looking for a breakout anytime soon here. So yeah, let's see what we're going to have. Let's see what we're going to have, because it is looking like that we're having probably going to see a very, very nice breakout once we're seeing this pattern, of course, playing out here. So if you haven't already, accumulate your position on Bitcoin. Yeah, right now is exactly a good time, to be honest. But yeah, if you want to trade it safe, you can be waiting a little bit longer for breakout trading, because breakout trading is usually the safest way to trade, because then you can trade to the downside on the retest, or you can back to the trade to the upside as well on the retest. So let's see what we're going to do. So Daniela, thank you for supporting the channel. You're saying, can you please look at Icon? And of course I can look at Icon. Thank you for supporting the channel once again here, Daniela. I don't know how to pronounce your name exactly. So hopefully I'm saying it correctly. But yeah, let's look at the Icon here. What do we have here? Let me clear up the chart. Let me look at this as well here. So you can see you're creating a higher high over here, but still, if you flip this to the daily, still you're creating a lower high in the RSI. So this is right away making me feel a little bit concerning, because I do like to look at divergences, because usually these divergences on the daily are giving you a signal once a market is stopping out here. So in my opinion, this looks like a top-out period for this coin. You're creating a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart. This is giving you a bearish divergence. So there's some reason to believe that you want to be very careful with this one here. You can see also the past days we were moving to the downside, where Ethereum is of course increasing in valuation. But if I set up this quickly, this horizontal support line of the previous all-time high, maybe we're going to find some support on this level. Once we're going to crash through this level, once we're touching this level, we can be maybe finding good support on this one. So let's see what we're going to do. Of course, would be very lovely if we're touching this level and then lifting off once again to the upside. But I mean, the bearish diversion on the daily is making me feel a little bit conservative. Because the reason why I'm saying this is because usually these higher time frames, so once they are indicating a divergence on the daily, it's very likely to see a new downward sloping period getting started. And maybe this is only the period. Maybe we are just in need for some consolidation. But at least be careful. And there is still a buying opportunity on the support. But if you're already holding in good profits, maybe there's a possibility that we're going to go a little bit lower. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. And of course, if Ethereum and Bitcoin will be pumping, this coin will be definitely following. And I still think Bitcoin and Ethereum are extremely bullish for the coming month of April. So that is my reason to believe that this coin can still be curving up to the upside, even though that it is creating bearish divergence. So it will be very interesting, because I don't think that we're going to take the 87 in the RSI index out that easily. But yeah, let's see if we can create a V-shaped recovery. It would be, of course, very nice on this previous supported level. Previous all-time high will probably act as very strong support. So let's see. Also getting another supportive chat. What coin did you mention for 30x? IOTA? No, I was mentioning Yield app. Still, I was talking about it earlier on as well, but right now I just want to be completely transparent, and I will be saying that one. UDEP is definitely the 30x potential. That's also the reason why I'm extremely I will be not saying overexposed, because I do think it's a good project. So you can't be overexposed to a good project, right? But I'm pretty exposed to that one. I mean, it's currently sitting at number 3 in my portfolio. It's probably going to overtake the number 1 because it's going to give me more returns. But definitely diversifying my portfolio. But this is definitely one of my biggest assets, and is right now currently not moving any hard. But I really bought big into it for the past 3 days. So I think I'm buying at a pretty low price. So yeah, you can be looking into it. The project is very insane here, and I'm looking forward to it, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. So, Betty Bob, can you check Harmony 1, please? Of course I can check Harmony 1, guys. And if you want to support the channel as well here, because, guys, I see a lot of requests coming in here. I will be looking to go into every request that people are saying, why are you talking so quickly? Because we have so many things to discuss here. But, guys, can we maybe smash it up to 600 likes here? Only 19 more likes. So, 19 more likes for 600 likes. I think we're right now watching with 1,300 viewers. So, can we only smash up a 90 more likes? That would be, of course, very amazing. Because, of course, doing this every single day. And it would be very lovely if we can see also the prices. I mean, also the like button completely been smashed. So let me check Harmony 1. But also we'll be keeping an eye out on the 600 likes. Can we reach it? Will be amazing. So, oh damn, what I'm doing. So we were looking at Harmony 1. We were creating this parallel channel to the upside. Was of course looking very strong. Not a lot of significance, to be honest. I was not really loving this channel. But yeah, we were discussing the Harmony 1 top out as well here. And we just smashed through the 600 likes. So thank you so much for smashing up the likes, everyone right now. But guys, we were discussing this as well. Creating a lower high in the RSI. So the momentum, the buying strength was cooling off where the price was still going up. And this is, of course, pretty unfortunate to see. Very unfortunate. I'm saying pretty, it's very unfortunate because I was already talking about this one over here because we were seeing a huge bearish divergence getting created. Higher high in the chart, lower high in the RSI. And also on the daily, you were not creating a bearish divergence. So that was, of course, the daily was still looking good. But the 4 hour was going off. So because it's only the 4 hour, I do believe that we're probably going to create another leg up here. Because the 4 hour, if we're going to see a daily bearish divergence, I do think it can be quite significant. But on the 4 hour, it is just not significant enough. On the 4 hour, it's just an immediate short term. So yeah, looking forward towards where Harmony 1 is heading towards. Right now trading also at this supportive line here. You can see multiple touches on this line over here, and over here. Third touch over here. So of course, the more times you're touching a support line, the more likely it will be that you're going to break below it. But at the moment, it's still providing you very good support. So let's see if we can be moving up a little bit more. And you're also creating a new upward sloping support line. So maybe you're trading in this ascending broadening wedge here. Don't particularly like this scenario because you right now currently have this downward sloping resistance line on the Harmony 1 chart created. Maybe if I flip it to the 1 hour, it is showing you a little bit more significance. If I draw it a little bit more like this, you can see we're having a stealth downward sloping resistance line getting formed on Harmony 1. Can we break it? Would be, of course, very important for me. But yeah, let's see where it is heading towards because on the 4 hour, you are trading at support, and I do think that you can be seeing a move up here anytime soon. And Ethereum, by the way, Yield app appear on other exchanges soon, do you think? Yes, I do think Yield app will be appearing on other exchanges too, but still, they are competing with Voyager, they're competing with Crypto.com, they're competing with Binance, and that's the reason why they are not going to probably get launched over there. So, I don't necessarily think that it will be getting launched on Binance because they are not really competing with them, but in a way they are. So I don't think that they're getting launched on Binance because otherwise they're also getting future launched, and I think UDAP doesn't want it as well because then once they're getting launched on the futures on Binance, they can manipulate the price and push it, of course, a little bit lower, and they don't want that. So yes, it will be getting launched on other exchanges. If I see it getting launched on other exchanges, I see it getting launched on, let's say, Coinbase or so. But yeah, looking forward to it. I think the project is very good, and even though it's not getting launched on other exchanges, I still think a lot of people will be buying it because it will be very important for the bear market, and that is, of course, a thing that I'm anticipating because we're heading at very high stages. You do want to be looking about coins that can maybe give you still good returns if we're heading towards the bear market. And of course, how I'm going to do so, we'll be discussing this, that in the video anytime soon. But if you look at Ethereum, you can see we're creating a wick on the low side, fighting back, of course, also with Bitcoin. Still in this doji candle for Bitcoin. Very cool to see. Litecoin also finding a little bit back here. Still finding support at this previous resistance target over here. Still finding very good support on it. And guys, also, we are so close to the 30.5k here. Let's see if we can reach it today. That would be, of course, very insane. Will be, of course, very insane. Earlier I did a 1 hour stream, right now also as well, already 1 hour live, so 2 hour stream from now on. Of course, for the people that are just tuning in here, we had to restart the stream, how unfortunate it was. So yeah, otherwise we already have been at the 1,000 likes, I think. So, of course, still going to give away this mug once reaching the 1,000 likes, guys. So let's see if we can still smash it up. Lovely, and definitely drinking this water. Spa touch, guys. If you really want to enjoy some water once it is pretty hot outside, I think Spa touch is definitely the water that I love. It's definitely I say I think, but I love it. I truly love it. Need NFT, please, family. Yeah, guys. Maybe it's a funny thing that I'm working on right now. Let me know if you want it. I mean, I'm just purely. I mean, I'm also pretty exposed to NFTs right now, and I just like it, etc. But I'm also working on my own NFT. How cool is that? How cool is that? Let me know. I'm probably going to give it away or so. So looking forward to the NFT. Will be truly special, of course. The NFT will be truly special. And you can guess already what kind of NFT it will be. You can guess it in the chat what kind of NFT it will be. Guess it right away. Good morning, good morning. No, Spa does not sponsor me. I have no sponsors on the channel show. If you're wondering, I have no sponsors, but I mean, this is truly the best water. Of course, Spa is only here in the Benelux, if I say it correctly. But no, Spa is not sponsoring me. But if you, maybe I will be sometime do a setup tour, because of course, if you guys are interested. And why is my face so wizzy? But yeah, guys, I definitely like Spa, and I've already got 20 of these thing here. Don't chill, Spa. I'm sorry. People are saying mug NFT. You guys think it's a mug NFT? You think it's a mug NFT? No way. It's going, or an Apple NFT. That's also a very good one. F1 or mug? A red apple. No, if we're going to do an Apple NFT, it's definitely have to be green. So right now I already spoiled it. But guys, you're just going to see it anytime soon here. It will be very cool. Will be very cool. I'm getting called. I don't know. I'm getting called. I can't answer this one. I can't answer this phone call. Who's calling me on a Saturday? The CR logo. No, it's not my logo, but looking forward to it, of course. Looking forward to it. It's obvious. It's obvious. No, it's not obvious. So let's go back into the charts. The chart about card starting. No, I haven't heard about that. Is it still bullish? Yes, Bitcoin is still extremely bullish, to be honest. Bitcoin is extremely bullish still. Which leverage should you take around the 58.3k? So if you're entering around the 58.3k, of course, the leverage, I can say to you which leverage you should use, but I mean, it's not really up to me, because it really depends on your own strategy. And I mean, yeah, of course, the higher the leverage, the more risk you're taking, but also the more potential reward that you can be getting. But I don't think you should use a very high leverage. I think a 10 to 15x is maximum. Over the 15x, you're getting more into gambling. Even though that what I'm always doing, guys, with my positions, is let's say I'm entering on a 15 or 10x, and once the price is going higher, I will be upping my leverage and adding more to the dip. That's the strategy what I'm always using. So, of course, you can use your own strategy here. That's also the reason people are saying, "Whoa, damn, you're in with a 25x on this trade. You're in with a 25x." Let me get it in front. You're in with a 25x, but guys, you have to know I'm open this trade with a 10x, but I of course up my leverage a little bit and added more to my position. So of course I got a very nice entry price on this Bitcoin trade over here. Of course, still looking to enter Polkadot as well. Looking to really get this entry in here. Still going to wait. Nothing to rush about, of course. But yeah, guys, this is of course a thing that I'm doing here on the channel. But I'm always upping my leverage once seeing this, and you can see I entered it exactly perfectly, of course, around the 50k here. I exactly entered over here on this wick on the 4 hour over here. And since going higher, I added more to this dip here. I was adding more over here. and because yeah, you were flipping previous, you were clearing previous resistance and testing it as support. So I was adding more to my position, upping the leverage, of course, upping also my initial entry target. But yeah, of course, it's doing very good here. Approximately with 3.3k, I'm right now making 8k. So making the gains, loving the gains, looking forward to make more gains, of course, because we're just starting off. I will be taking profits on this one, starting from 63k or 64k. So of course, once reaching the all-time high, probably going to take minor profits. Yeah, but looking forward to it, guys. Looking forward to it. And of course, the longer your trade is open, the more funding fees you will be paying. So I will be looking to, of course, close the trade as well anytime soon. But for now, at the moment, it's still looking good. It's still doing good. I'm enjoying the gains, but definitely anticipating a higher price for Bitcoin. Definitely still anticipating higher price for Bitcoin. Not looking to exit at the moment, guys. It can be going away higher, in my opinion. And of course, I mean, I was exiting my trades already if I was bearish on the market. So people are still wondering, are you bullish on the market? Yes, I'm extremely bullish because the consolidation over here is just looking good. And of course, 59.3k right now, currently doing good. When will you be upping your leverage and add more to your position? Does it change the liquidation price? Yes. Once you are adding more to your position, it is changing your entry and liquidation price. So let's say you initially entered over here. Your leverage is, let's say, 10x. You're upping your leverage, let's say without leverage. So your leverage is 10x. You're having a 4 quantity in. And you're adding another 4 quantity once you're reaching this target over here. So then your entry price will be averaging in because it's exactly the same quantity, and it will be exactly in the middle from these prices. And of course, because your entry price is getting higher, your liquidation price is also getting higher. Of course, if you're short, your liquidation price is getting lower. It's getting higher. And yeah, wait, both ways it's getting higher. Sorry. Gas fees are pretty pricey on Uniswap. I mean, Uniswap fee 3 is here, guys. The swap fees are not that high, to be honest, Crypto Aaron. Is Ethereum still bullish? Yes, of course. Ethereum is smashing through the all-time high. It's clearing the most important resistance target. Yes, it is extremely bullish. It is extremely bullish. 1,000 Polkadot will be 45k one day. Definitely, that will be true. That will be true. 400. I mean, one day it will. One day it will. Thanks for the explanation. No problem. Hopefully, I explained it well enough. Hopefully, you get it. So yeah, let's see what we're having here. Then it's possible to wait. Hey Lauren, thank you for tuning in here. And you're saying, hey Dan, is Polka Starter also not one with the 20 or 30x potential? Yes. I was talking a lot about Polka Starter, and today already early in the stream as well about Polka Starter. Yes, I still think it has this 20 to 30x potential. And of course, we were already making good gains once buying this one on $1. But yes, it still has the potential to at least 10 to 20x here, because it's already sitting around 270 million market cap. But it is bringing so many new projects to the market. It's bringing such good projects to the market, and it's still also pretty undervalued in my opinion. Even though we had this huge run up, we had some cool-off period, and a cool-off period is very important. But look at the volume that is still getting traded. This is insane. It's pretty undervalued in my opinion. Yes, this is still has 10 to 20x potential. And guys, that's also the reason I already bought into this on $1. But I mean, I'm dollar cost averaging every single 2 weeks here, still into Polka Starter. So of course you have to make your own strategy here. But I'm still accumulating more Polka Starter because it has this huge potential. And it's also just, once again, such a good project, what is also undervalued. And I like to look at good projects with good fundamental worth, because I think in the end of the day, in this coming bull run, the fundamental worth will be very important for these altcoins. Thank you. No problem. No problem. Crypto.com to the moon. Yeah, I mean, of course, Crypto.com is going to the moon. Is XRP worth it? I don't really like the XRP project, to be honest. But is it worth it? It is looking like it is going to give you very good potential rewards, in my opinion. It is looking like it's going to give you very good potential rewards. So, is it really worth it? In my opinion, yes, it is looking very extremely bullish right now, even though I don't like it, because this is very bullish consolidation, exactly what we had previously. Even though, if I just ignore the news, you can see the exact same playing out here for XRP. Are we going to see such an exponential growth once again for XRP? I think it is in the books right now. I think we can be doing this. Hey Dan, when you make a new purchase on Uniswap, do you purchase using Ethereum or do you swap using another coin? No, I'm usually using I'm usually sending some new Ethereum because I want to expand my portfolio and not just get rid of my other coins, because I'm trying to build a very good position, and most of the altcoins I haven't took profits on yet. Some altcoins, yes, I did, but yeah, mainly I am sending new Ethereums to my portfolio. Worth checking out. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Bitcoin is fighting back a little bit here. On the 4 hour, I mean, on the daily, it's still looking good. 4 hour email ribbon. This was what we were talking about, guys. I mean, I don't. This is just looking very good. Once again, touch of the email ribbon, and bounces back to the upside. 4 hours, also Doji candle right now. So Messi also tuning in. We're tuning into the stream here. It's of course not the real Messi, but you're saying, "Hey, bro, hope you are having a good day. Thanks for your TA every day." So no problem. Thank you for supporting the channel, of course. So lovely to see. Internet stuff. That's cool, right? That's cool. Looking at, I think a lot of people they like you were saying. I only have $30 in Bitcoin, but I'm watching these updates every single day, and I know where you are. I know at which point you're standing. You're new to the market. You're just getting exposed, but you're watching TA, etc. But I think it's very good to do, because once I was beginning to trade and just beginning. Starting the market, it's very important to do more research, to look at it a lot, because then you're just evaluating yourself, you're becoming better, you're recognizing the market, and you're learning from other people, and that is definitely a good thing that you're doing so, bro. Thanks, Messi. Thanks, Messi. Yeah, Ethereum is ready to pump. Let's see what Ethereum is going to do. But email ribbon is, of course, providing good support, even though I'm not really looking at a lot of indicators usually. But yeah, definitely looking at it. And at first we were maybe expecting a death cross over here on the 4 hour. We're almost having a death cross over here, but yeah, we curved again back to the upside. It's very lovely to see. Here we had a golden cross on the 1 hour. Usually we only have one golden cross on the 1 hour, and then we move up once again in the run. So that was previously also how it went, golden cross on the 1 hour, and then we did not have a golden cross, death cross anymore in the 1 hour. So yeah, we have a golden cross here on the 1 hour on the 250 and 200 moving average. So yeah, maybe they can come a little bit closer, but definitely think that we can be moving up anytime soon here, guys. Definitely will say that we will be moving up anytime soon. And let me flip on the MACD real quickly. MACD on the 4 hour having a death cross over here. But yeah, we're going sideways, so MACD is now already working on sideways action. But yeah, on the daily, it's looking extremely bullish still. Daily is still having a bullish crossover. It's going to grow exponentially anytime soon here. Daily bullish crossover for the MACD. It's looking good. Bullish crossover. Let me see what the chat is saying here, because I want to look at the chat, of course. I want to interact with you guys. BNB, please. Let's look at BNB. Make sure to follow Crypto Rover on Instagram. That's completely true, Aaron. Guys, look, guys, we are sometimes doing these updates on Instagram. I was not even talking about the Instagram yet here. But guys, what I think I do really want to reach here is the 10K followers on Instagram, because what I can do, I can of course do these swipe ups, etc. But definitely want to reach the 10K followers on Instagram. So if you haven't already followed me over here, we'll be also giving you some updates about my private life. I mean, I haven't posted a lot here. Just recently starting off the channel as well, and just recently starting off my Instagram. But guys, what I will be doing, I'm of course going to Dubai in exactly 4 weeks. I will be posting a lot of stuff over there. Just give you some insights about my life, just making a lot of stories, going to do a lot of giveaways. So if you're looking forward, if you're interested in my personal life, you can be looking over there. If you want to see my setup as well, usually I'm filming some stuff over there, making some stories. So definitely worth checking out, in my opinion. If you want to follow me as well, at CryptoYT, and big shout out for everyone who's right now already currently following us over here. Let me see. Oh, just 2 seconds ago, Niels Shania, thank you so much for following. That's of course very cool. But yeah, make sure to follow us over there. It will be, of course, very cool if we can see you guys over there as well. What do you think about the Pi cycle top indicator? And this is very interesting because, guys, everyone is getting shaked out here. They're saying, oh, we have the Pi cycle top indicator almost crossing. And what I think about that is maybe you're saying, okay, this is really weird what you're saying, but I mean, the Pi cycle top, how it works, it's a they made a calculation about the market when they probably going to top out, okay? So they make a calculation from the history of Bitcoin. And of course, history tends to repeat on Bitcoin, but what the top cycle indicator is not doing here, the the pi cycle top indicator is not doing here, is of course seeing what the market is doing right now, because the market is developing, the market is maturing, the market is getting it's not so young anymore. Of course, the market is still young, but it is maturing, it is getting bigger and bigger. So the previous mathematical solutions and the calculations that they were making are not correct anymore, in my opinion. So, I mean, yes, I look at it, but I don't think that you can use math from 8 years ago, from the previous tops. You can use them right now, because right now we have insane institutional interest. You can see PayPal, Visa, these guys. It is so, we are such a different period. So, of course, I look at it, but I don't think it's a leading indicator for me. So, yeah, of course, very exciting. But don't think that it's necessarily that we necessarily have to look at it, and this is also the reason why I don't think we haven't topped out yet. We are not topping out yet. We're probably going to go way higher, and looking forward to it, of course. But guys, this is so weird. This is so weird. Getting another shadow ban. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why. But I will just continue the stream right now. But we got another shadow ban. But we'll be just continuing the stream. We'll be just continuing the stream, of course, but looking forward to it. But yeah, I mean, for the pi cycle top indicator, I mean, we have a way different interest right now. We have way different interest, and yes, let's see what we're going to do. The government is putting money in Bitcoin, and they're not telling it us. That's completely true. I mean, I do think you have Pakistan, who is already accumulating more Bitcoin, the government of Pakistan. But I mean, the European Union, America, they're seeing it exactly the same things that we are seeing here. They're not staying on the sidelines. Of course they're not, because they're seeing the huge interest, and they can't ban it. They can't ban it. And of course, when companies, guys, this is very important. When companies like Visa and PayPal are buying and setting up their crypto payments, doesn't it ring any bells? These guys, PayPal and Visa, these guys don't have the interest to make, let's say, money, because in the end of the day, PayPal and Visa just want to be here in 10 years, and that's the reason why they are doing this. And they are doing this not for the short term. They are investing in this for the long run. They are making their company ready for the huge crypto run up. And it is very smart, in my opinion, and they are not having the goals for 1 or 2 years. They're having goals for 10 years. They're setting long-term goals. If you look to the roadmap and what they want to do here, they have long-term goals. So this is just a start of a new age. It's just like the interweb was just starting, and right now we are having it in crypto, guys. Crypto is just starting. We are so young still. Bitcoin 59K here, guys. I can't believe if I will be going back into the channel, because this is on the internet, and we can always look back at it whenever we want. And let's say in 10 years, I will be going back. I will be a grandfather or so. No, not. But in 10 years, we'll be going back to the channel and look at these good times where you could buy Bitcoin around 20K. You could buy Bitcoin at 30K. You could buy Bitcoin at 40K. You could buy Bitcoin at 59K. And people are still not doing it because they think they're buying too expensive. They think they're buying too expensive, but you're completely buying very cheap. If you don't know how, please zoom out, look at the fundamental worth of Bitcoin, look at the institutional interest, and that is very important. It is just looking extremely good, guys. It's looking very good, and if you're not exposed to Bitcoin, come on. I'm saying this every single stream because I want to make gains together, and that is the lovely part about crypto. You can't be making gains all together. I mean, that's also the reason why I'm doing this, because I want to help people out here. I want to build a strong community. And if you want to join the community, you can also, of course, join the Discord server. It's right now pinned in the live chat. And also pinned, I mean, you can also find it in the description. But please get exposed right now if you're not exposed. Probably a lot of people are already exposed to crypto. And, I mean, be where the game's made. And that's crypto, of course. 10 years from now, we are at a party at our own yacht. And that's completely true, guys. We're going to make a big party. Especially, we're also going to do a 100K party. Or we're going to do multiple parties. We're going to do multiple giveaways. Because I love to do this channel here. Of course, I'm going to do this every single day. I'm not going to stop. Even if we're in a bear market, guys, I will be just grinding the channel. Trying to educate everyone in the streams. And, of course, doing daily live streams. Planning to do that every single day, of course. Maybe there will be some day that I can't do a live stream, but then I will be just making a video. But of course, I'm trying to do daily live streams, just like you can see on my feed. Usually a lot of live streams, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe, because right now, if I look to the subscriber count, guys, this is absolutely insane here, because right now, currently we are only 5 subscribers away here. We're only 5 subscribers away, as you can see right now on the screen. Only 5 subscribers away, guys. Would you right now subscribe to the channel? That would be, of course, very amazing, because then we can smash it up to 30.5k. That would be amazing. And also, Messi, you became a member of the cryptocurrency, Crypto Rover community. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. But guys, even 4 subscribers right now. Can we smash it up to 30.5k? That would be insanely cool, of course. So let's see if we can do it. Would be, of course, very amazing. Yeah, let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. So yeah, that would be, of course, very cool. That would be, of course, very cool. Can you briefly explain Fibonacci levels? Of course. And guys, oh yeah, we were only 4 subscribers right now away. We were probably going to smash it up right away here. There's always a little bit of a delay here. But let's see if we can reach the 30.5k. So can you explain Fibonacci? Of course, I can explain the Fibonacci chart real quickly. We'll be using the Fibonacci here. We'll be explaining it on the 4-hour. For people who want to know it as well, would be, of course, very cool. Yes, I'm exposing my friends too on to the channel and to crypto. I'm loving. They are learning it, and thank you, Rob. And guys, yes, we just smashed it up, 30.5k. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. It's really lovely that we reached this target already, halfway for 31k. So of course, looking forward to the 40k already. But guys, you can set up a Fibonacci in multiple ways here. If you set up a Fibonacci for the retracement levels, you can be setting it from the swing low to the swing high, and you can see you're looking for lower levels here. Of course, you can really depends on which levels you are setting up. But if you want to make a screenshot, these are the levels that I'm using currently. Will be, of course, very cool if you're using these as well. But if you want to set up a Fibonacci extension tool, you can use the swing high to swing low, and you can look at certain extension levels. So what you can see right now, a lot of significance, of course. The 0.786 is providing a lot of resistance, and we can't break through it yet. Here we had a minor fake out, and I clearly called this a breakthrough already. But yeah, we're still setting higher lows here. We're just consolidating in an uptrend. So this is, of course, very lovely to see. So probably going to see a breakout anytime soon here, guys. Consolidating under resistance is just always very bullish. We're going to smash through it anytime soon here. And of course, once smashing through this level, the next target will be 61k here. And after that, the next target will be 68.8k. So looking forward to it. Let's see once we're going to reach, because I get very excited. V-shape recovery. We're moving up so quickly. Looking forward to it, guys. Looking forward to it. Ethereum consolidating at 2,500. I mean, we're currently sitting around 2,100. But yes, we will be heading towards the 2,500. What's your next target for Bitcoin? The target that I'm looking for Bitcoin is exactly 69k for this trade that we are taking in the inverse hand and shoulders / cup and handle. So 69k will be my target. So Sherry, you're also saying they live in the Netherlands, Sydney, Berlin, France. I tell them all to watch you and learn. Oh, that's so lovely, so nice to hear. Sarah, very nice to hear. Hello, have a nice Easter weekend. That's completely true. Have a nice Easter weekend, everyone. Ethereum is so bullish right now. I mean, yeah, Ethereum is looking good, but yeah, the extension levels for Bitcoin also looking interesting. Let's see what we are heading towards, of course. Let's see what we're going to do for Bitcoin. Of course, always exciting what we are once we are looking at Bitcoin. Always very exciting. It's a bad time to buy into Ethereum. I mean, I will be saying no, but still, I want to be raising awareness. We're still overextended on the 4-hour. So yes, it is not the best time to buy into it, because then you're exactly buying like the dumb money. You're buying like dumb money, and I don't want you guys to buy a dumb money, because you want to buy the lows and not buy the highs, and you're exactly buying the highs. So is it smart to buy into right now? Probably it will be creating an all leg up here, but I find it too risky to buy into Ethereum at this point. Even though it will be creating a huge uptrend, it will be heading towards $2,500. If you're buying for a vision for, let's say, 1 month or so, yes, this is a good moment to buy right now. But are you maybe asking, can you buy cheaper Ethereum? I do think it's likely to see maybe some consolidation to lower levels. So you can be setting up a limit order around to 2050, 2040. Do you only stream or also make videos? I do both. I will be also looking to make videos. Guys, also just finishing up my recent video about the exit strategy. So this video will be released anytime soon here. So yes, I will be also making videos here on the channel. So if you're interested, make sure to ring that bell notification, because then, yeah, here, like here, we did this is yesterday. We did this quick video here about an emergency update, and sometimes once I'm seeing something very interesting, and I can't be live, I will be just making a quick video, guys, and of course trying to do daily live streams. But once I can't be live, quick update here on the channel. And that's the reason why you want to hit that bell notification, because then you know once we're going to do these quick updates, of course, on the channel. Thanks, bro. No problem. Don't forget to smash it up. Yeah, let's smash it up. Any prediction for Polkadot at the end of the cycle? Yes, I already told everyone. I still think $200 will be the target for the end of the cycle for Polkadot. So that is a 5x approximately. Litecoin is wrecking me. What are you doing with Litecoin? I mean, we entered over here. Nice entry target, still in profit, but hopefully we're not going to get stopped out of this one. Because the market is moving a little bit more to the downside, but still this is a very good entry target because Litecoin, of course, clearing the very critical resistance target into support. Looking forward to where Litecoin is heading towards. Quickly looking forward to it, guys. I can't wait. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Can you briefly explain your process while setting a stop loss? I mean, it's really this is once again setting a stop loss. It's really once again a personal preference because I like to use tight stop losses. I mean, on the Ethereum, I'm using usually a little bit more bigger stop losses because Ethereums tend to shake everyone out and then move higher. But yeah, it really depends on what the risk to reward scenario is. Like for this trade here on Ethereum, it was a very good potential reward that you were getting because we're breaking out of this huge pattern. But yeah, it really depends on let's say you have a 20% reward to the upside, and then you can also take, let's say, a 2% risk to the downside. Let's say it's a 10 out of 1, 10 to 1 risk management. So that's the thing that I love. But if you only have a potential to gain, let's say 4% to the upside, I should only use a 0.5 stop loss, 0.5%. So of course, it really depends on your own strategy. But that is basically how I use it. I like to use 1 to 10 risk management. I can't explain it very good. I only own one Litecoin, but I got it cheap. Very nice. You're doing a good job. Is he in any trades right now? Yes, I'm in multiple trades. I'm currently Litecoin trades, 5 Bitcoin trades, Ethereum trades. Yeah, just in a lot of trades, guys. On Femex, Bybit, whatever. Trading on all exchanges to counter trade myself, but I'm not in short positions, to be honest. I'm saying counter trading, but I only have different entries for Bitcoin. But I still entered the trade over here. I still entered the trade over here on Bybit. So yes, I think you can still enter long positions because I'm anticipating an insane rally up, guys. So that's the reason why I'm in such good long positions. Yeah, and what is the possibility for Bitcoin is that we're going to shake out and then go higher, because that's usually what we are doing here. Because they want to shake out the weekends, they want to shake out the long positions and then move higher to close down the funding fees a little bit, and then we can be moving higher. So please be careful. Keep an eye out on Bitcoin. It can also just be moving already from here on. And then we're going to see this fake out. Please don't think that we're flipping bearish. It can be a possibility that we're going to see something like this, but I don't think it's very likely to see, to be honest. Let me flip up the email ribbon. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do for Bitcoin, of course. Looking forward to it. And can't wait enough to see where we are heading towards, guys. What happened with the Litecoin position? Completely nothing. Still in the position, but only 3% in profit. But look at the right as one to new automines. I'm not expecting that we're going to see a lift up right away, because we are entering this position on the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is always providing you good support and also more time to anticipate it. So yes, I am expecting for the coming days that we're going to move up. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do here, guys. I feel very bullish on Litecoin right now. So Lorna also donating to the channel, and you were saying, appreciate your content. Can you please also check out Dent, as it is currently pumping? So let me check Dent for you. Is it currently pumping? Of course, once a coin is, yeah, it is definitely pumping. We were discussing Dent just a moment earlier. And I mean, yeah, we are forming a very bearish bias pattern. It's a rising wedge, but what you can see as well over here is that you're creating a higher high in the price chart, but a lower high in the RSI. So you're forming a bearish divergence. So this is a thing that I do want to be saying here. I want to raise some awareness. I do want you to be careful, because this is looking like a bearish bias pattern. I mean, a divergence on the 4 hour, and you're setting, of course, way higher high, but still way lower in the RSI index. So please be careful. There can be a divergence anytime soon here. We can even flip this one in a big red candle as well. So please be careful. You're in a rising wedge, of course, break it to the upside. Very lovely to see, but you are having a big bearish divergence getting created right now. And not only on the 4 hour, also on the daily. The daily is even bigger bearish divergence. So, I mean, it's just showing me all red flags right now for Dan. It's just showing me all red flags right now. Red flags, sorry. So Jonathan also asking me, what else are you holding? I'm holding a lot of alts. I can give you some insights. I mean, I'm holding a lot of alts. I currently don't have this logged into my account here in CoinMarketCap. But yeah, I mean, I'm holding Polka Starter, of course. I'm holding a lot of DeFi projects. If I just go to here and I go to DeFi, I can right away talk about it. Of course, holding Uniswap, Chainlink, Aave holding, PancakeSwap holding, Compound holding, and if we look, Euro.finance holding, Curve token holding, a 1-inch holding, of course, 1-inch pretty undervalued here. Band's protocol, sorry, the competitor of Link. So I'm exposed to Chainlink and Band protocols, very important. But I mean, Polkastarter, of course, DeFi chain. There are so many projects, but some coins I'm a little bit more exposed. But I mean, if a very diversified portfolio, especially in DeFi, I was buying a lot into DeFi because I do think this coming bull run will be hugely to DeFi. And I mean, I can go into more projects. I'm holding approximately more than 100 altcoins at the moment. Maybe it's a little bit too much. Maybe I'm a little bit too over diversified. But guys, soon I will be making a video as well on the channel where I will be going into every single altcoin on what I own. So looking forward to it, of course. If you're looking forward to it as well, make sure to ring that bell notification. About Bybit, I don't quite understand the ADL system. Can you educate me? What do you mean ADL system? Do you mean I don't know exactly what you mean with ADL system. I don't know exactly what you mean. You're talking about the insurers or? Or you're talking about the insurance? How dare you? Bears are pussies. That's true. I'm not a bear. I'm not a bear. Exit your long quick. Auto deleverage. I mean, I don't use auto deleverage. I'm sorry. I don't use auto deleverage. I also did not do my research because this is not. I'm just more a traditional trader. I'm not using all these. Of course, there are some futures options are very nice to use, but I mean, auto deleverage. I'm not using it. But guys, this stream, I will probably be wrapping it up anytime soon here. The reason why is, of course, also we are once again getting shadow banned, so it's pretty annoying that YouTube is doing this once again. We're just holding us back. It's very annoying, to be honest. But yeah, let's see what I will be doing. I do think that I will be wrapping up the stream right now because I have some things planned still for today. So guys, of course, once seeing a very important update here in the market, of course, Bitcoin is moving up a little bit here for 59.4K right now at the moment. It will definitely be moving a little bit higher. But yeah, what's you are seeing a doji candle right now really playing out. This is really a doji candle. You can see the wicks on both sides and very minor body. But guys, I will be wrapping up the stream right now. It was an amazing stream. We'll be probably back later today. Maybe we'll be doing another stream or we'll be uploading a video. At least you can expect another thing from me here on the channel. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to right away smash up the likes once again here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, you can do so right now because we're heading towards 31K here. Would be, of course, very cool if you're supporting the channel. Make sure to ring that bell notification because later today, I will be making another video. And yeah, guys, it was an amazing stream here. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Will be, of course, very cool. Almost having the 3,800 followers. You can see it at Rover Crypto if you want to follow me over there. I'm definitely going to give more updates on Twitter as well. Tomorrow's stream time, thank you, Rover. Tomorrow will be exact same time for the stream. So if you're willing to tune in tomorrow once again, make sure to check out YouTube because I will be back at the same time here. Of course, I think tomorrow, if we're not going to see it, and if we're going to see, guys, I want to make something very clear about this. And talking about the YouTube algorithm will be triggering you. Okay, I will be not talking about it anymore. So thank you for the tip. But guys, what's seeing Bitcoin, of course, doing a very interesting move. I will be going live right away here or making a very important video update video. So you can expect more from me today, but thank you so much for watching to the stream, guys. It was an amazing day once again here. Probably going to see you guys later on today on the channel. So make sure to accumulate more Bitcoin and stay frosty. Goodbye, guys.